Okay, so first thing, on the very end of this steep slope there, there is one shingle missing. It's the third row up at the very end. I don't know if you can see it from here. I don't really want to walk out there when it's wet because it's steeper than the side I'm walking on. So now over to the skylight. I think it's not leaking when it rains, and we've got the diverters on all four corners. So and what I'm wondering is if there's a condensation issue with moist air in the house freezing or condensing, getting into the lip of this skylight and then running down. The reason being that I think that is, if you look, the drips start at the very top of where the wall meets the skylight. And if you look down here on the outside, you see we've got a 6-inch curb that the skylight's sitting on top of. So in order for, for like water doesn't really, it doesn't really force its way up and in and through. That just doesn't happen. So what I'm wondering though is sometimes something that can contribute to these kind of condensation issues is if the skylight is not sitting really tight on this frame and there's allowing a little small bit of cold air to get up and under and through, and that cold air comes with the warm air of the house and condenses. So what I'm thinking I would do is go underneath this lip all around the skylight with some draft sealing tape. The other thing, I don't think this is an issue, but there is a little bit of water sort of pooling on these, right near these screw heads and stuff, but I really don't think that's why it's leaking. I don't think so. Thirdly, I guess it could be that the actual seal in the window itself has broken down and water resting here is leaching its way in. But I really don't think that those are the issues. I kind of get the feeling that we've got condensation built in the middle, and it fills up into this lip and then spills over. So other than that, I don't see any potential to get in. If it was going to be leaking, it would be leaking right now, I think, because there's pooling standing water behind the skylight as we speak, and I don't see it coming in anywhere in there. So I really think it's a cold air meets hot air condensation issue. So anyways, so I'll have to do the repair on this shingle and put some draft tape around this exterior of this skylight, and I think that would take care of it.